always bring it with me.
Hey, perfect. Hi guys, hello. We're back again with candles and such do-it-yourself videos.
Number 2.
Yes, our second one. Here we are. Guys, today we're gonna make
Soap Jellies. Ready?
Okay, soap jellies. Exactly like a bar of soap, but it's gonna be softer like a jello. So, first things first, to make a jello, you need gelatine. Okay, packets you can find it at Dixie, Publix. Okay, liquid soap. This one does though need to be hand soap. Okay, we're gonna use a whisk.
And we have warm water. You can boil it, 1.5 cups of warm water. Then we have our bowl, and then ice trays.
Super simple, guys. It's gonna be easy as 1, 2, 3. All it is, we're gonna just mix all the ingredients together. So we're gonna put in the hot water. We're gonna use 1 packet of the gelatine. And then you're gonna use 1/2 cup of the liquid soap.
Go.
Once all the ingredients are in, we're gonna stir. Make sure that when you're stirring, everything's dissolved. There's nothing there. It's gonna look soapy. It's gonna look foamy. Okay?
That's okay though. That's what we want. You can get that good aroma from the actual hand soap. So make sure you choose a hand soap with the fragrance of your liking.
Guys, and remember to have your family help you. Okay? Once everything is stirred, we're gonna pour it into the cup that has a little spout, so it's easier for you guys to pour into the ice cube tray.
Alright, we got that in here.
Once you guys are done pouring it in ice cube trays, all you're gonna do is you're gonna stick it in the refrigerator. Don't put it in the freezer part. In the refrigerator, leave it for about 2 to 3 hours, and then in no time you guys will have soap jellies. Guys, and we are done.
Here you go. Now, the soap jellies might fall apart, but that's only because it's very soft and slimy, but it's okay. It'll be a one-time use, but you get your hands clean. So thank you. Please don't forget, send us your videos and stay clean and safe.
Guys, we miss you. Please remember to wash your hands, stay safe. Okay, we hope to see you guys soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.